If you need to lock your card on Razorpay for security reasons, follow these simple steps to ensure your card is protected. This guide will help you navigate the process quickly. Step 1. Log into your Razorpay account. Access the Razorpay website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the cards section. Once logged in, find the cards section in the main menu. This is where you can manage all your registered cards. Step 3. Select the card to lock. In the cards section, locate the specific card you wish to lock. Click on it to view more details and options. Step 4. Choose the lock option. Look for the option labeled lock card or similar. Click on this option to initiate the locking process for your selected card. Step 5. Confirm the lock. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the information and confirm that you want to lock the card. Your card will be locked immediately. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Razorpay for added security. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Razorpay support.